game. It's a rich thing.
Hey, welcome back, y'all. Today we are going to be making us a little Valentines sweatsuit outfit. As you can see, I still got the little tags on. Let me step back. I'll give y'all a little full body picture. Y'all know I always give y'all the little pictures towards the end, but I try to put one up here for you guys. But yes, I got this from Walmart in the boys section. So yes, y'all, don't miss out on that. Go ahead and go to that boys section and get y'all some sweatsuits. I'm liking how this is fitting. Like, it's really nice and comfortable. Yeah, I know I'm gonna put a little video in there for y'all. Yeah, I just got this and I had the idea to go ahead and make us a little Valentine sweatsuit outfit. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get into this. But before we do, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cabrisha Howard, and if you're new, hey. If not, then hey, y'all still rocking with me. Yep. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Y'all, so the first thing we're gonna do is lay our clothes out on a tarp. Normally I would do this outside, but it's dark outside, so I am going to do it this way. Pick up these from the Dollar Tree because this is what I'm going to be using, since we're going to be doing like a little Valentine heart theme. And I am going to cut these off so that it won't mess up anything or be included within this process, and it'll make the heart and the love even more clean and crispier. All right, y'all, so I'm also going to be using this toilet bowl cleaner. I think I used this like once, but I'm going to use this for my sponges, which will make it easier. And you can get this right here from the Dollar Tree. But I'm going to take the toilet bowl cleaner, and I am going to twist that, and we're just going to just pour a little bit in there for right now. And if we need more, then we will add more. And I'm going to start with this side first. We're just going to press that in a little bit. Make sure you get it covered, everything. And from that, we are going to come over here. And let me see, I think this would be a good spot right here. We're just gonna press that down like that, and then bring it back up. Hopefully that covers everything, and you'll start to see it change somewhat. Try to get it over here on this side a little bit. If it's not perfect, then that's fine, because it doesn't have to be, especially when you're dealing with bleach. Nothing is pretty much going to be exactly the same.
I know that you're drunk. Yeah. Tell me what you want after this club. You know I get nasty. Don't Uber right in my house, you caught a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm first things first, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. If you was so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea. I feel like I did too much. I feel like I did too much. Let's get naughty, yeah, I need all y'all. I feel like I did too much. I feel like I did too much. Yeah, let's party, yeah, I need all y'all. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib. crib and I'm sliding. First things first, let me get that introduction. We on a long road to self-destruction. If you was so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea. I feel like I did too much. I feel like I did too much. Let's get naughty, yeah, I need all y'all. I feel like I did too much. I feel like I did too much. Yeah, let's party, yeah, I need all y'all. I feel like I did too much. I feel like I did too much. Let's get naughty, yeah, I need all y'all. I feel like I did too much. I feel like I did too much. Yeah, let's party, yeah, I need all y'all. I know that you're drunk. Yeah. Tell me what you want after this club. You know I get nasty. Don't Uber right at my house, you call a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. First things first, let me get that introduction. We on a long road to self-destruction. If you was so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea. I feel like I did too much. I feel like I did too much. Let's get naughty, yeah, I need all y'all. I feel like I did too much. I feel like I did too much.